Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change device name on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, using a generic device name may inadvertently disclose information about you or your device. So, changing the device name to something nondescript can help protect your privacy. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings on your device. Okay, next you can scroll this page and select About Font option. Well, so on this page you will find the default device name and click Edit here to rename it according to your preferences. When finished, click here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change device name on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.